Oren, Pinki, Wenda, Sky, Chris.
I love you.
Wow, this new house is so beautiful, so many things. I like it.
We have 2 bags. Let's open them together. Cut the blind bag to see what's inside.
Oren, Pinki, Wenda, Sky, Chris.
Don't cry. Let me help you.
Thank you very much.
We want a small house.
Okay.
I brought you a house frame, Tina.
That's it. Let's put this cardboard together to make a bed. Roll out this pink clay. Cover it on this cardboard to make a bed.
Please, like and subscribe.
Decorate the edge of the mattress. Next, cover this cardboard with cotton to make a mattress for the bed.
Please follow Tina.
Cut off the excess. Be careful with the scissors. Next, roll out this clay. Then cut it into a square. Then decorate it to your liking. I decorated with many flowers. Let's make Pinky's head for the bed.
She is so skillful.
Cover this pre-cut paper with pink clay. Then decorate its face and it's done.
I'll help you add.
That's not right. We have to rearrange it. Add ears and the rest. Use this clay to make a backpack for Pinky and Oren.
Wow, she is so skillful, isn't he, guys?
First, roll it out. Next, decorate the ears and face backpack. Finally, attach the straps.
I love you. I have to go to sleep. This bed is so beautiful.
I brought you this cover, Tina. Decorate it.
Thanks, Cookie. Let's add the cabinet doors. Apply a layer of glue to place on the table. Next, make a Wenda head. You guys do like me. Attach the whiskers and decorate his face. Next, mix these 2 clays to make gray.
Please, like and subscribe.
After mixing, cover this cardboard. Next, decorate his face.
Take this, Tina.
I'm okay. Let's see what's in here. Let's make a birthday cake.
Please follow Tina.
Stack the cake layers.
Wow, she is so skillful, isn't he, guys?
Then decorate the strawberries on the cake. Then add them to the cabinet. Next, let's make a kitchen. You guys do like me. Add the kitchen part, then you're done. I have an idea. Roll it out first. Cut off the excess parts to make a sky chair. Add his ears. Then decorate his face and you're done.
I brought you a TV.
Let's review how to make the character Sprunki.
But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance.
Wow, this new house is so beautiful, so many things. I like it. Thank you for watching with me.
Save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.